The engines love that. The rolling bridge is right over there. The boat has to make some important deliveries. Would you wind up the bridge so it can pass? That's the way. Your engine loves your train set. Time to pick a special surprise. Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Bubbling boilers. Some sheep have wandered off from the farm. Great! Your engine had such a good time. Which special surprise will you choose this time? Follow the beam of light to find your surprise pack. Choose a direction. Right leads to... Left leads to... Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Forward leads to... Next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. It looks like there's something blocking the tracks. Help your engine by moving it out of the... That's perfect. Only the boldest of engines will try Crazy Coaster Mountain. Steer your engine through the sharp curves. Swipe left up. That's the way. Your engine had such a good time. Take your pick of any surprise you like. Help your engine find the surprise pack. The engines love that. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We need to send the other engines on their way. Use the wheel to spin the turntable. Excellent! That's perfect. Your engine loves your train set. You've no new toys to open, but there are still lots of things to get inside the other boxes. With this box, you can enjoy adventures with all the engines. On top of that, you will be able to decorate your train set with 75 new toys to... Where should we go? Left leads to... Well done! Just slice across it or tap it to open. Left leads to, next stop, Crazy Coaster Mountain. Forward leads to Knapford Station. Knapford Station is just ahead. That's perfect. Just slice across it or tap it to open.